We are BISS. BISS stands for Bake It Smart and Simple. We create impact through baking. We want to create real opportunities. We offer bakery training in combination with startup kit supply and follow-up. We are active throughout Uganda. We are always looking for partners who want to make an impact with us. So, if baking, making an impact and Uganda interests you, keep watching this video. BISS was originally set up to help women in rural areas who don't have access to running water and electricity. Till date, Smart and Simple is still in our DNA. Our model to create jobs focuses on 4 core activities: selecting the right candidates, training in baking and entrepreneurship, creating opportunities to apply the newly acquired skills, and providing a support system. Students enter our program in 2 ways. Some pay their own fees, others receive a scholarship. Scholarship students go through an intensive screening before admission. We screen our students via an online process or with the help of partnering organizations. For example, we look at how passionate someone is about baking, whether he or she has an entrepreneurial mindset, and what drives them. To whom we give these opportunities makes a big difference in the impact we make as an organization. We provide 2 types of training, which we call Phase 1 and Phase 2. Our Phase 1 training focuses on pan-fried products. Our Phase 2 training focuses on oven products. In both trainings, we also teach relevant subjects like HRM, sales and production records, saving and investing in your business, and hygiene. The Phase 1 training is offered both at our training centers and on location. On-location trainings make collaboration with partners easier, and it allows us to scale up without investing in additional training locations. In 2024, BISS started working with working and learning centers. At our working and learning centers, students can follow an 8-week baking and entrepreneurship training, combining Phase 1 and Phase 2, followed by an 8-week internship. We opened our first working and learning center in Karamoja, a place with a great need for job opportunities. After the training, our services continue because skills have no use if they cannot be applied. The market for bakers is growing, but someone still needs access to either a job or bakery equipment. As BISS, we want to open both of these doors. We are proud to have given out over 200 startup kits in the past 10 years already. A participant can apply for a startup kit on credit when meeting the requirements. We also started our own brand called the BISS Shop, which is being rolled out as a franchise, creating more opportunities. We also partner more and more with other bakeries, where students learn new skills, making them employable in their respective bakeries and elsewhere. At least 75% get a sustainable income through the different options. Lastly, we have a support system. Participants with a startup kit or franchise are visited by technical staff, attend refresher courses and regional meetings. For remote assistance, we developed the BISS app. The app helps entrepreneurs keep track of their expenses and profits. From the office, new recipes, tips, and more can be shared with the entrepreneurs, who can also contact each other through the app. As BISS, we don't just teach how to bake. When you join BISS, you become part of a family.